These pouches are trending everywhere right now, and the ads make them sound like focus in a pouch. They're called Ultra Focus pouches, and the claim is simple. Take one, and suddenly you're sharper, more alert, more productive, with zero crash and no jitters. Sounds awesome, like the productivity hack everyone's been waiting for. But before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm reviewing it so you know what really happens behind the hype. Because when something promises mental superpowers in minutes, it deserves a closer look. Let's break down what these pouches actually are. They're small, chewable portions packed with a blend of ingredients meant to support focus, usually combinations of caffeine or caffeine-like compounds, nootropics, amino acids like L-theanine, and herbal extracts. Some of these ingredients do have research showing they can increase alertness or attention when used in specific doses, and pairing caffeine with L-theanine is a known combo that can smooth out the usual jitters. But here's the important part. What works in controlled studies doesn't always translate perfectly to a one-size-fits-all pouch. The dosage matters, your tolerance matters, your sleep and diet matter. And while a few users report feeling more focused or energized after chewing one, there's no large-scale clinical study showing ultra-focus pouches consistently sharpen cognition in everybody. Most of the claims are based on user feedback and marketing language, not peer-reviewed science targeting this exact formula. So, what's the honest verdict? Do they work? The short answer? Sometimes, for some people. If you're someone who responds well to mild stimulants and nootropics, you may feel a noticeable bump in alertness and concentration, especially during a sluggish afternoon. But they aren't magic. They won't instantly turn you into a productivity machine, and they're not a replacement for good habits like sleep, hydration, and structured breaks. And because everyone's brain chemistry is different, your experience could be stronger or weaker than someone else's. Bottom line, ultra-focus pouches can help support alertness and focus in the short term, but they aren't a miracle fix, and expectations should match reality. If you found this review useful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll keep breaking down products so you don't buy hype instead of help.